And the up Diamond Luster hits the ground in the early part. And moving up, Enigmatic Nutty outside. Gobilis on a further outside. Running by will head on Kiss Me. Then followed by Boyo Mangaro, Manila Magic Flash away, and Winking Eye, who's running in the tail of the field. Outfield Diamond Luster by half length, Enigmatic. Gobilis on the outside. Boyo moving up now to take fourth. Manila Magic, not the outside, Pete Mangaro, Kiss Me, fighting out head on Joe, Winking Aya. And towards the last 350, it is still Diamond Luster, leading by some 2 lengths, followed by Enigmatic on the outside and Gobelisa. But still Diamond Luster, Enigmatic on the outside. Diamond Luster leading by half length, Enigmatic on the outside, Diamond Luster, Enigmatic, Diamond Luster, Enigmatic. It's now Enigmatic, Diamond Luster, Boyo, Mangaro, and Flash Away. Then followed by Kiss Me for your Super 6.
Sabi ko na, magaling yung Enigmatic eh. Yung